There's a light nighttime rain right now. The bright daytime pain somehow lost the fight tonight. My brain, for now, has lost sight of the biting daytime game. The chaos that's tied to the bright burning sun is now drowned by its fall, when its flight became done. I can be as I wish, because the night is the one time I think on my own, and I'm fighting no one. The peace that is tied to the flickering stars now covers the landscape. No sickening cars to distract from my thoughts. The trickery starts when the chaos returns all too quick from afar. The view through the window is not what you'd think. Instead of the darkness, in which you might shrink, is a reflection of me, which I cannot see blink. Down in this deep self-reflection, I sink. Its sleep has arrived, world settled on down. Now, I can think clearly with no voices around. The tangled up images, formed behind my brow from the mess of the day, no longer confound. Sometimes at night, I can hear the cicadas. Their rhythmic drone means that light has been fading, and I'm free from day's prison till morning's created. The world begins waking, and futures seem gated. But tonight's just the sound of the light nighttime rain. In just a few hours, the chaos will reign, but for just a few hours, I control my pain. I can peacefully think with the light nighttime rain.